Well, good morning. This is going to be a kind of a short video today because we've got our um, Zoom meeting later on today, 3:30. Remember, it's always going to be 3:30 from now on. We're going to go back to this story in uh, the textbook, or if you're doing it through this website, it's going to be the pass the comprehension check, close read. You're going to go through close read the text, analyze the text, and analyze craft instructor. Okay. You're supposed to do 90 minutes. If it doesn't take a full 90 minutes, feel free to just do some more reading on your own. But that's what I want you to do. If you want to reread this, go ahead. If not, just make sure you review from yesterday and maybe look over your comprehension questions so you can re-jog your memory of the story. Now, in math, we are still on getting ready with the geometry. I believe we ended at composite figures yesterday, so go ahead and start with volume with fractions and go all the way down to surface area and get that done. In science, we're going to be doing page 91, organization of the human body. So go ahead and read all that. You'll see how things go from cells to tissues to organisms. I mean, sorry, cells to tissues to organs, then to organisms. And then go ahead on page 96 is the putting it together. So go ahead and it looks like this will be sort of a paragraph explanation. So go ahead and answer that. And in social studies, you're going to be doing page 84, the first English colonies, reading all the way through page 89 and doing the section 5 review. Again, don't worry about locate, just do the other questions. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I will see you today at 3:30. Make sure you're there. Bye.